This property was built in 1975 as a Section 202 deal. However, the subsidy for this project was expiring and the affordability of Lake Worth Towers was truly at risk. So this project was able to keep the property affordable for low-income seniors here in Lake Worth Beach.
I remember standing in front of nearly 200 residents at Lake Worth Towers almost 2 years ago and listening to their concerns around the expired affordability at the property and that the property hadn't been renovated in nearly 50 years since it was originally constructed.
My name's Tanisha Moore. I am currently the property manager here at Lake Worth Towers. Currently, Lake Worth Towers has 195 units. All the units were renovated. They received new cabinets, appliances, the flooring, AC units. They're beautiful.
When we found out that we were going to be renovating the entire building, so much excitement. And here we are, approximately a year later, in our newly beautiful apartments, and I think most of us are happy.
Y estoy viviendo aquí 6 años. The apartment looks cleaner now because, the whole floor is done.
The thing that I like the most, and most of us will answer the same thing, I think, is they took out those old carpets. The carpeting was ripped out, and we were given some nice vinyl flooring.
We have new stove, new refrigerator. I feel like joy, to see my clean place.
Oh my gosh, what can I say? I have people that's come from church to help me and they're jealous of my kitchen. So I love it. I really do.
We were able to bring in a fitness center, expand the community room, and really make that useful for the residents. Bring in a library and a computer lab, and also a beauty salon. So it's really been great to see the residents be able to use those spaces now and come together as a community.
I've been in the beauty shop here for about 15 years, and I live here. All in all, I'm really pleased with what has been done.
With the new rental subsidies, the residents saved on average a couple $100, in some cases $500 a month on their rent, which was a huge difference for a senior.
Related is great. If I had any issues with the vendors, they step right in.
It takes a lot of cooperation with residents to make this kind of transformation happen. So it was a day to celebrate their patience with us and also the wonderful new apartments that they have to live in.
We talked about in the beginning, this was a really old building. It needed a lot of work. It took a long time, and you guys all made that possible. So none of this happens without everybody in this room working together.
The renovations will improve everybody's living, especially mine. It has helped quite a bit.